Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you the unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM4s in silver. I've already done the black unboxing. I'll have it in the comments below and I'll be doing a review very shortly as well. Now I'll let you guys know before I continue that this channel solely survives on your subscriptions. And it's for free, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get this unboxing underway. So first of all, let's look at this box. Okay, so the box is very recyclable. It's using a lot of cheap recycled material, which is nice to see. Okay, because to be honest, I've got all the boxes of all the products that I have, but that's it. They don't do anything. So looking at the box itself, it's got a bit of information here for you, but that's about it. It's got a nice little tab, not as easy as Apple's innovative tabs that you just pull. This is a bit harder, but that's good because it immediately opens into the box. Okay, so there you go. Alright, let's give this an open. This is a $449 in-ear headphones. So that's the silver. Okay, it looks, after unboxing the black one, this looks so much like as if it's just blended into the cardboard box it comes in. That's really cool to see. Okay, I've got the black one. If you guys want to see a comparison of the silver to the black one, please drop a like and a comment and let me know you'd like to see that. Okay, let's get this opened. Okay, now this is where all the goodies are. All right, so basically your documentation and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna wreck it here. You guys can have a look at that. This is just documentation, nothing more. In the other video, the black one, I've completely torn it apart and had a look at it. And here you'll have like two tabs. So the first tab is for the USB-C to USB-A charger, which again you can have a look at more details of the black one. And on here you'll have the tips. Okay, so that's a large tip here. So this is, as you guys can probably see from the video, it's not silicone like the Apple ones, but rather looks foamy, and it's a bit funny at first when you put it inside your ear, but I feel like these are more comfortable and also durable, and the most important, it's very easy to keep clean. I didn't feel like earwax is getting on it, dirt is getting on it as easily as it does with the other ones. All right, let's get all of this off the table and open this boy up. All right, now this is the item. Okay, nice little tab again in the back. Trying not to wreck it, because if you guys have seen my black one, I've wrecked it. And normally I like to keep things as is without completely wrecking it, and that's the honest, straightforward way of unpacking. So let's see. Yay! Oh, a tiny bit over here. Okay. Anyways, let's get that out of the way. Wow. Not too bad. Very cardboard, matte, like looks like just really cheap stuff, but it's really nice to feel and touch. And the nice embossed, gold embossed is nice as well. Opening it up, okay. Okay, you'll obviously have that, which I can remove with the headphones here. So the right, Sony has a very Sony thing where they do with the right is a red and the other one is just normal colored. Okay, so that's basically it. All right guys, that's the unboxing. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. Check out the black one and let me know if you guys would like to see this one sitting side by side with the black one. All right, take good care. Thanks for watching to the end. Bye bye.